Hey guys, so I got asked about my UGG slides and I wanted to update you guys anyways on how they are and what's been going on with them. But basically these slides are like memory foam. I think that's what you would call it, because like if you look at them, like my toe indentation is on there even when I take them off, and they've been off for a while because this is my first time putting them back on just to show y'all. But like you can clearly see where my toes sit at on these shoes. So if that bothers you, that might be something of concern. But so far I've only worn them like one time to the store, but that was just because, I don't know, I was just being a lazy bitch. But so yeah, I wouldn't style these because to me they're so bougie. Like they're supposed to be worn inside, but that's not like a rule. I didn't read that anywhere, but that's just how I feel about them. I feel like these are so cute to be on like date night with your man or something cute like that, or your woman, whatever the case, and to be worn inside. Because like, look on here, like it's like if you're in like tall grass, like it's over just because of the way it's right there on the edge close to the bottom. So I wore these in the parking lot. I don't even remember if I did wear them to the store, but I know I wore them in the parking lot and in my car whether I was going to get something out of the car or whatever. So they already have stuff on the bottom, so that kind of irks me because it's like a house shoe. But yeah, if you're gonna be bougie enough to spend $100 on slides, then if they look like this, I would wear them in the house. And these are just too cute to kind of be, I don't know, they're just like a vibe to take pictures in, honestly. Like, let me see what I wrote down, because I did write some stuff down about them. Excuse me. So basically I said that these are airport vibe shoes. These are like, if you're going to be on carpet, I think that would be cute if you're just traveling or something like that. You could wear like a large sweater and leggings with these. That would be real cute. Like, you know how the pink style, Victoria's Secret pink, how their sweatshirts are. I would wear it with that, with leggings, if like you're inclined to style these to go out. I would go to the mall in these if I was like a young girl. Like, you know how young girls are, like when y'all are out with y'all friends on a Friday night at the mall and you want to be cute and you have like a nice mall. Then I would wear these to the mall. You could wear your cute little two-piece outfits, like how Fashion Nova has those matching sets. I would wear that with these, whether it be windbreaker. Like, I have these Nike windbreakers. This is my outfit that I would wear these slides with. This is like really cute. Like, I almost would want to do this too. This is like that Fashion Nova sweater that I showed y'all in my Fashion Nova haul that I just did. I would do this. This is really cute and it's like almost the same material. So you could do this with some jeans, some baggy jeans, some boyfriend jeans. You could do it with shorts. You could do it with a skirt. I got this cute jersey skirt. So that's that. There we go. So the color's a little bit off, so if you can tell. Alright. That's a couple ideas of how you could wear these slides. Alright, so also I'm going to go ahead and insert a couple pictures that I found on Pinterest as far as some girls who had these slides on in their outfit, but it wasn't a lot. Like nobody's really been taking too many pictures in them. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, like, share this video, all that good stuff, and I will keep the content coming. So send me your questions. I don't know what else I have to say about these slides, but if you have them, you understand what I mean. So yeah, definitely thank you for watching my video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.